Minute by minute updates after India Today's big exclusive validation on Yexit. The BJP will be deciding on observers who will visit Bengaluru to convene a legislative party meeting to elect the next Chief Minister of Karnataka. This could happen by this evening. They will travel to the state in a day or two. By the end of this week, the name of a leader could be finalized. Until then, so this is one of the scenarios that we also said. Mr. Yediyurappa is the former Chief Minister of Karnataka, but he could continue as caretaker Chief Minister until the end of this week, at which point his successor will be decided by the BJP legislative party that is slated to meet with observers from the centre. Poulomi Saha joining me live on this bit of breaking news. Poulomi, central observers to be sent to Bengaluru shortly to convene the all-important effort to choose the next Chief Minister of Karnataka. What more can you tell us, Poulomi?
Right. Just a short while ago, of course, after the announcement of his resignation by Chief Minister of Karnataka, Mr. Yediyurappa, JP Nadda was in Parliament, met with the Home Minister. They had a very long meeting inside Parliament, and what we learned is that they've decided to send observers, as is the procedure within the Bharatiya Janata Party. Observers, to central observers, are likely to be sent along with the election in charge, or along with the state in charge for Karnataka, Arun Singh, who will visit the state, and they will convene a legislative party meeting where the name of the leader would be, announced, and the approval for all the MLAs will be sought. More or less, what we do know is that that name has been finalized upon. It is just a procedure that will be followed now. So by the end of this week, it is expected that that name could be announced. In a day or two, the observers will be in Bengaluru, where they will, of course, convene that meeting and announce the name.
Poulomi, thanks for getting us that important update. This is a procedure. The name is likely, like Poulomi just pointed out importantly, it's likely that the name has already been chosen by the High Command, but there are political party procedures that need to be gone through before the name is actually announced, and that will happen after the legislative party meet that takes place in Bengaluru, either later today or in a few days from now. So until that name is announced, Mr. Yediyurappa basically functions as a caretaker Chief Minister, even though formally he is the former Chief Minister. Yexit, as India Today first predicted, has in fact happened. What next? We remain to see, and we will continue to report, and I promise we'll get it right before anyone else once again. Coverage continues on the other side of this break. Come right